What's going on YouTube? It's Kiki here. Welcome back to my channel. So I got this gorgeous snowflake candle holder globe from Bath & Body Works, and they had these gorgeous snowflake magnets, but I decided to pass up on them because at my favorite Dollar Tree they have these gorgeous snowflake ornaments. They had them in 3 different colors, silver, and these were perfect for what I needed them for. They had gold, the back is nice and flat, and they also had these very pretty white snowflakes. I also picked up some magnetic buttons from the craft section, and all I did was cut off the tag, and then that part right there with the little hole, you can leave it like that, but I decided to bend it back, and it was very easy to bend back. I did use my fingers to assist me, and boom, it's done, bent back, and that's how it looks like. Now all I'm going to do is grab my magnet and place it on the back center part of the snowflake. The snowflake is made of some type of metal material, and as you can see, the magnet sticks right away on it, and you can leave it like that if you'd like, but I want it to be secure, so I'm going to use my Momvic hot glue gun from Amazon. I'll have the link down below for this hot glue gun in the description below, and all I did was place some glue on the back part on the center where I'm going to place my magnet, and place my magnet right on top, and boom, it's done. Stick around till the end so you can see what we did with it. Then I decided to take this square clear glass holder, and I decided to put the silver snowflakes on it, and all I did was put some hot glue gun on the back of the snowflake and just place it right on top of the glass, and I flipped it over, and I also did fold these as well, and I used that part to place it right side up. Goodness, I don't know how to explain that part, but basically I had it right there, right above that. That was like a guideline for all of them. That's how I placed all of them on the clear glass holder, and I think that this gave the clear glass holder a very nice touch. This literally took less than a minute to do, and I also did press against the snowflake so it can be secure on the glass, and boom, we're done. And I think it came out absolutely gorgeous. You can do this with the gold or white snowflakes, and I put a candle in it to show you what it would look like around different parts of the house, and let me just tell you that it was so pretty. I think that it came out absolutely gorgeous, and you should definitely do one. And here's a silver one on top of the candle lid. I'm just showing you different angles. You can place it right in front of the lid. You can also go ahead and place it right on top. That is what it looks like above, or you can go ahead and just slide it down and place it in the front again. And I also did place a white one right on my what is that called, lantern. I think that it gave it a little nice touch. I don't know, I think I went snowflake crazy. And you can also use them as fridge magnets. I think that they're absolutely gorgeous. I don't know, maybe it's just me. I also did touch up this plain vase that I thrifted. The gold leaves and berries are from Dollar Tree as well, and I believe that the magnet snowflake gave the vase a really nice pop. I fell in love with the touch that it gave it. This video was inspired by the Bath & Body Works magnet snowflake, and I think that you should definitely make one. These are absolutely gorgeous. I think they were around $5 or $6, but for the price of one, you can make 5 or 6 of these, and I'm pretty sure that you're gonna love it. I have more awesome DIYs coming up for you guys. Thank you very much to anyone that watched this video. I'll see you on my next one. Bye!